NBA fans are currently discussing a new trade rumor involving Aaron Wiggins, as reports link him with a possible move to the Atlanta Hawks. At the same time, the Oklahoma City Thunders are also making important adjustments in their draft picks and salary cap situation, which shows a clear focus on long-term planning. Aaron Wiggins is a solid role player in the NBA. He is not a big superstar name, but he is known for his effort, energy, and team-first attitude. He usually plays off the bench and brings defense, movement, and quick scoring when needed. In today's NBA, players like him are very valuable because they help balance the team without needing the ball all the time. Now, reports suggest that Atlanta Hawks are showing interest in adding him to their roster. The Hawks already have strong players in their main lineup, but like every NBA team, they also need reliable bench spot. Over the long season, injuries, fatigue, and roster changes always happen, so having a player like Wiggins can help maintain consistency. For Atlanta, this type of move is about strengthening depth rather than adding a superstar. It's about making sure the team stays competitive even when the starters are resting. On the other side, the Oklahoma City Thunder continue their building strategy. They are one of the youngest teams in the league and are focused on the future rather than short-term success. The plan is built around developing young players and collecting valuable draft picks. Draft picks are extremely important for the Thunder. Every time, give them a chance to select a young player who could grow in the future star. That's why they carefully manage trades involving picks, players, and salary space. Reports also mention updating their draft picks and salary cap situation. The salary cap is the maximum amount of money an NBA team is allowed to spend on player salaries. Managing their cap properly is very important because it gives team flexibility for future trades and signings. If this trade involving Wiggins does happen, the Thunder would likely receive draft picks or financial flexibility in return. This fits perfectly with their long-term rebuilding plan. They are not rushing for quick success. Instead, they are building a strong foundation for the future. For the Hawks, this would be a low-risk move. Wiggins does not carry a huge contract, so financially it is manageable. At the same time, he adds energy, defense, and reliable rotation depth, which is important in close games and playoff situations. So in simple terms, the Hawks are focusing on improving the current squad, while the Thunders are focusing on future growth and flexibility. These types of trades show how modern NBA teams think differently. It's not always about big names. Sometimes small, smart moves help shape long-term success. My opinion is that if this trade becomes official, it would be a balanced decision for both teams. The Hawks get useful depth, and the Thunders continue building a strong future through smart asset management. Overall, this situation highlights how NBA teams constantly balance present performance with future planning.